Good morning. I'm just waking up in the morning, so I'm trying to keep my voice down. And my daughter isn't feeling so well, so she didn't get up early enough for school. So I'm trying to make, let's see what I have here in the freezer. These smoothie cubes. So I'm going to see if she is okay enough with her sore throat for a smoothie cube. So I'll just put this right here, and I'll just take this out. I'm gonna use, I know she likes this bowl here. So I have some smoothie cubes. Along here, I'm just gonna pop some of these out. Oh, my hands are cold. Oh, cold, 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 cold. Okay. Let's see here. I have this. I'm gonna try to pop out one more. It's really frozen in there. Okay. Finally. So that'll be really good for her sore throat. My fingers don't freeze off. Just joking. Shaking helps, like, with really cold hands. Okay. Now I'm going to go to, let's see. Oh, I have right here a banana. So I'm gonna spice it up with bring this over here. Alright, so I have my banana here, and then I know she likes, what does she like? She likes raisins, but since she has the sore throat going, I might just keep it very simple and just right here have whipped cream. So just keep it very simple. Whipped cream. You know what's really good for sore throat? Honey. So, what I'm gonna do is put this in the microwave for a few seconds. So, there it goes. 16 was already put on me, so I guess it's like lucky number 16. Then honey. That's right, she has honey. Go in here. The pantry. Up here, I'm gonna reach for the honey. Right here, some honey. Let's see, I'll try it for a few more seconds. 10. All right, so my honey is really great for sore throats. Frozen popsicles, frozen smoothies, frozen vitamin C, like juices, heavy in vitamin C, and that's a frozen smoothie with lots of vitamin C fruit, and honey is great for the throat, especially a sore throat. And then she loves cinnamon, but I don't know. Cinnamon's really good for circulation and blood flow. I may just keep it a little simple, maybe just sprinkle a little bit, go a little, all right, so I have this, put it from the fruit bowl, put this here. Oh my goodness, I really am waking up in the morning. Okay, so, okay, there we go. So I'm taking this, and I'm just gonna have this hand mash towards the bottom. and splash some out. That's okay. I guess it would be helpful to wear an apron. So I'm gonna grab an apron. I always forget to put on aprons, except till I splatter it on myself. This fun little apron. I love polka dots. So this is a fun apron. Okay, here we go. So I have my apron, and I should have my hair up. Let's see.